Come here. My name is Erik, and this is my wonderful wife, Caroline.
I work as a nanny. I do that 4 days a week. Okay, can you crawl for me?
I work in IT for a company that supplies medical software.
We currently live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we are looking for a house in the Apex area.
So they're ready to buy their first house, even at a very young age.
I'm 24, Erik is 23. We're used to being young and doing things that most people don't do until 5 or 10 years later. My parents own a home that is very traditionally Southern. It has large columns and the big front porch. Actually, we got married on the big front porch, and it's just kind of a dream home.
The kind of house I'm looking for is more of a rustic log cabin-y kind of house that just feels cozy.
You've never said that before.
Well, that's what I like.
Okay, well, that's not really what we're looking at. He's not even rustic at all. Like, you would never catch him camping unless it was like
but I
a
just
pretend
like that
camping
kind of
in a
feel,
hotel. Our budget right now is about $180,000. We're trying to stay within that. Ooh, look at the teacups.
Oh, yeah.
I like this gold rim. I love to go to antique stores and pick up teacups and teapots, as does my mother. And we love to have tea parties for our friends, so now we just have this massive collection. I would really like to have my very own tea room.
The big thing is open floor plan. We like to entertain.
They also both want a garage, but they don't exactly see eye to eye about hardwood floors.
I'd like to have it, but it doesn't have to be the whole house.
Okay. Well, I would really like to have the hardwood floors, and that's what I want.
Sure.
First up, their agent Erica is taking them to a brand new Southern-style home.
The property that we're gonna see is 1,714 square feet, and it's priced at $179,900.
It is so cute. I love the porch.
Yeah, I like the porch.
It's big enough for rocking chairs.
Yeah.
We walk directly into a staircase.
It's not that bad. You can put a rug here, a little table.
No, it's not awful. It's just not ideal. When we open the door and the foyer is kind of all crammed together and the stairs are right there, that was kind of uninviting to me. I would love to have a tea room in here. This is perfect for that.
And the best part about this room is this enormous closet.
Wow, this is huge.
Wow, that is really big.
This is a ton of storage.
Yeah.
I'm glad that there's a half bath.
I really don't like that floor vent, though.
It's one floor vent. It's
I
not
know,
a
but
big deal.
there's one floor vent. There's many floor vents.
Maybe.
Is this out to the garage? I guess this is in the garage.
No, just go straight outside. This is beautiful. The hardwood floors, I love it. It's gorgeous.
It doesn't have a fireplace. I really wanted a fireplace with a flagstone. I think Erica was thinking more about Caroline when she picked out this house. I really don't like those. There's more floor vents, though.
It's not that
You know,
big a
you
deal.
can make them
fan of
wood
that.
colored so that they'll blend in a little bit more.
Yeah, no, that's not really the point, though. I mean, we're talking about furniture placement. Don't have to worry about where furniture goes.
You don't normally put your furniture, though, like, up to the window,
I
so.
mean, we can live with it.
Look at
Wow, this is
Well, this is
beautiful.
nice. I really like the back deck. It has a great view, but I really don't like that it doesn't have any stairs to get up or down, because then we have to bring the grill through the house. All right, that's a decent size.
Yeah.
You have a
very
really nice full bath with tile floors.
Oh,
This
wow.
is the guest
And the
bath.
cabinet matches your kitchen, yes.
All these fixtures are so nice, too.
And here is the beautiful master bedroom. Look at those views.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
I love
Unbelievable,
that.
right?
This
No.
is a nice size room.
Yeah, I think this will definitely fit in all our furniture just fine. Oh,
Double
that's
vanity
great.
sink?
Yes,
Yay,
we
2
definitely need
sinks.
that.
Yes. Oh, and look
Have
at
our
all
own
of this
space.
space.
All this storage. It's great.
This is awesome. The house is beautiful. I love how pretty and cute it is, and I love the open floor concept. There's no garage.
Yeah, one of the things is really wanted a garage. It really doesn't have that rustic feel that I was looking for. I know Caroline doesn't like that style, but I really want that.
So now their agent Erica's come through with a more rustic place for Erik. But it also doesn't have a garage.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's priced at $182,000.
That's not bad. I like the outside. The outside's that cabin-y kind of feel I'm looking for.
I don't really like it. It's too brown. I do, however, like this porch. It's big enough that we could actually put some stuff out here.
So this is the living room. You have beautiful vaulted ceilings, a wood-burning fireplace.
Wow, I really like the high ceilings in this. It's really nice.
Yeah, that's a great feature. I'm a huge fan of this fireplace. I'm glad that it's wood burning and it's not gas. I really like the brick around the fireplace too, and this this is a nice feature. Mantle.
Nice floating mantle. This is access to your deck, and then in here is your dining space.
I really don't like there's more floor vents though.
I'm, trying to find that separate space for me to put my tea room. So is this the only dining space?
This is the only one. You'd have to incorporate it into your tea room concept or put it in a bedroom. So the kitchen is practically brand new.
These countertops are gorgeous. I love them.
The pattern, I really like the pattern.
And how about 2 Lazy Susans, which I know you'll love?
Yes, I do love the Lazy Susans. You said there's 2 of them?
Yeah, there's one right here as well.
Nice. There's a lot of storage under there. That's nice. I like that a lot.
So there are 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths.
Okay. Oh wow, this is really nice.
Yeah, this is a nice size for a guest bath.
I've never seen this copper sink. This is
Isn't that nice?
a nice touch to it.
Yeah,
I've
it
never
looks-
seen that at all before.
Looks really updated. It's pretty. I like it.
Adds
Yeah.
that rustic feel to the bathroom.
Yeah, it definitely adds a really good rustic feel to the bathroom.
This is a larger room. This is the master bedroom.
It's a pretty decent size. How big is the closet?
It's bigger than what we currently have, but it's still not as big as what we're looking
Yeah.
for. Really small.
I would even really consider this the master bathroom.
It's got the 1 sink, and we wanted 2, and more counter space.
Yeah, there's not very much counter space at all. This is a pretty nice sized deck.
Nice and large. You have a hot tub that is included in the sale.
Wasn't expecting that. That's nice.
I like this deck, but I wish that there was a little bit more backyard.
And it not being fenced in too, we were looking for something that was fenced in for Bosley so he can just kind of hang out and roam around.
You could always do like an invisible fence, and this lot is actually a little less than a 1/4 acre, so it's pretty large. Okay. What do you think overall?
I think the kitchen's great. I'm glad that it has the updated appliances and the marble countertops. That's awesome.
Yeah.
The fireplace too, that's a good thing. I know you like the fireplace.
I do like the fireplace. I'm surprised that I would like anything with some rustic feel to it, but I like the fireplace.
Yeah,
Great.
I'm pretty surprised as well.
But there's nowhere for me to have a tea room. The master bath and the closet are
Yeah, also
Oh,
the fact that it
small.
doesn't have a garage. I really wanted to have some kind of garage.
So now their real estate agent Erica's showing them a house built in 1976 with a carport that she hopes they'll both like.
I love the brick. The brick is great.
Yeah, I do like the brick. It's just a cute house.
Yeah.
So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch.
That's good.
And it's $184,900.
Okay,
In price.
maybe a little bit out of our price range.
It's not too much.
Yeah, it's under $5,000, and you know what? I bet the seller's flexible. Let's not even go there.
Okay.
Oh, that fireplace is great.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. I love the brick and how it's wood burning too.
This is a completely renovated kitchen.
Wow. I definitely would not expect this many updates in a house this old.
Limestone subway tile backsplash.
Oh,
These
cool.
are really pretty.
Now here's your formal dining room space.
Okay, so it transitions into the wood in here, so it feels a little bit more formal. Maybe this would be the room that I can put my china and my tea stuff in, and we'd have to rearrange it.
I don't really like how closed off. I mean, I kind of want to just knock this wall out.
Well, I think that we need the storage more than we need this wall to be down, so I think it'll work.
Here is the first bedroom.
All right, it's a decent size. I don't like this closet though. It's very small, and I don't like these doors at all.
Typical in this style in this age.
Right. That's a nice size room.
Yeah, it's decent.
All right, well, here's the bathroom. Nice tile floors, nice countertop. So this door is your access to the carport.
Well, I don't love that there's not a garage, but it's great that there's a carport.
Wow, I really like this as a storage unit.
Actually, I think it would make a perfect walk-in pantry. I mean, it's right behind the kitchen. We could store all sorts of food in here. This would be awesome for a pantry.
Absolutely.
I kind of like it as a storage unit.
It would make a perfect pantry, but we could discuss it.
Plenty of options. So
Wow.
it's
Oh,
fenced
nice.
in.
That would be perfect for our dog. He would love this big open space.
You can put a fire pit here, entertain.
That's a great idea. We would love that.
Be able to grill out here too. This would be nice.
What do you guys think about the storage building?
Oh, I think that'd be good. Good for the lawnmower to keep some yard supplies, stuff like that. I think it's nice.
So Caroline could keep that room as a pantry, and then
Yeah,
you could
good
put
idea.
your tools.
Perfect.
I will
so
have
we
to
can
talk about that.
I'm gonna lock
Yeah.
up the home,
Okay.
and I'll see you in just a minute.
So what do you think?
There's some great things about it. I really like that there's, you know, the openness in the kitchen. I like that there's a carport. I mean, you know, there's not a garage, but carport's better than nothing.
Yeah, I love how it's up to date, has
Yeah.
new appliances, the granite, the backsplash, it's awesome. I really like that. I really don't like how small that master bathroom is, though. That master bath is really small.
There's just a whole lot of stuff that's outdated, too.
Their first option is priced at $179,900.
It had that master walk-in closet.
Has a nice front porch. Back porch is pretty big. It has a yard for Bosley.
It didn't have a garage, though, and I know
Yeah.
that was something we cared about. I don't like the way you open up and right there is the staircase.
Their second choice is on the market for $182,000.
I really liked it. It had that rustic feel that I was looking for. It had the fireplace.
I liked that it had the front porch. I did like the back deck. I really liked the renovated kitchen. That was really
Yeah,
nice.
the kitchen was great.
Their third option is priced at $184,900.
It had good storage space, and I really liked that there was a space for the tea room in there, and I liked that it also had the renovated kitchen. However, it also had the problem with the master bathroom. It was just too small.
Oh, yeah, that's right, yeah.
So, based on all of these options, what do you think?
I think we should go with the two-story new construction.
That's exactly what I was thinking, too. I think that we have definitely picked the right place for us.
I agree. What do you want along this back wall?
Yeah, let's put it against this wall.
Okay.
See if it fits. Yeah, I think so. We got the house for the asking price, and the builder also included for us new appliances, including a washer and a dryer. I am really thrilled with the tea room. It's in a perfect location in the house. It's downstairs, so it's right when everybody walks in, they can see it, but it's also away from the family living area, so it's kind of secluded, but still it's easily accessible.
We also compromised on the garage. We really wanted a garage, but we don't have any sort of garage at all.
That ended
Maybe
up
down
not
the-
being as important as we thought it was, because we ended up getting so many things in this house that we weren't expecting. The completely open layout, the hardwood floors, the granite countertops. It was worth the compromise.